So many of the important episodes in the Gospels take place on mountains. It was clear that Jesus loved the water, he loved the Sea of Galilee, but he also loved the mountains. And so many times he would go to find a quiet place on the mountain to pray, and he would pray all night. This happened before he called his disciples. We know that it was on the Mount of Transfiguration where he was praying, and he had this vision. He was actually, and his disciples actually saw Moses and Elijah with him and heard the voice of God. We know it was on the Mount of Olives that he prayed over and over again. And of course, we think of Mount Zion, where Jesus was crucified, in Jerusalem, Mount Calvary we speak of. Well, in the area around the Sea of Galilee, there are a number of mountains. And when we read that Jesus went up on the mountain to pray, we don't know which mountain he went on to. I always picture this mountain. This is Mount Arbel. And as I have spent time on top of this mountain praying from here, you can see all of the Sea of Galilee. You can see all of the towns and villages around it. And I imagine Jesus praying for the people he would be ministering to. And so I picture Jesus coming to the mountains, to this mountain, many times to look over the places where he would minister, to pray for the people, to pray for wisdom, to know which disciples to call, and to come and teach.